AUDIOCAT channel, man, here with a different video. Don't know if y'all gonna like it, don't know if you're gonna accept it, but it doesn't matter. We at the new Crowds, man. It's been crazy time that we've been dealing with. Y'all know for sure that it's been a while now that you haven't seen no videos. Let me show you exactly why. So we ended up grabbing a new crib, and we got some friends over to help me put the TV up and do that stuff. But before we got to work, we had a special meal, which y'all can't really get to see, but we had some chicken breast, some Puerto Rican rice, some shrimp with some, let's go ask Chef Boyardee what's going on. So Chef Boyardee up in the building. This is my sister-in-law from New Jersey. I'm gonna tell them what the meal you prepared for us today was.
It's a secret, man.
You can't, you gotta tell them what it is.
If I tell them I gotta kill him.
No, you gotta tell them what was it. Give us the rundown.
You know, ceviche.
So what is this in here? This is onions,
cilantro, a lot of lemon.
And some shrimp.
Red onions and shrimp, of course.
And then what else? This is the Puerto Rican rice. And what does this have in it?
Yeah.
Rice with gandula, you don't know about that. Then we have some chicken breast and so on. But this is what we have. Mrs. AUDIOCAT, come here. So now we get to do something even more special. We get to show you the mess that she has in the house today. What do you think about that one?
Y'all all gonna understand me. We only been here 3 days.
You know, but I'm gonna show you. And then we got King Tony Snow in the building, man. If you don't know who he is, hit up that IG, man. Hit up the YouTube coming soon. It's King Tony Snow. What you want to say? Cause y'all came over here for what?
Man, I thought I was gonna eat, but
I'm gonna put your ass to work. Get your ass to work. And then we got Mr. REELTOREAL up in the building. My brother forever came out here to help me out. He got the full stomach eating that Puerto Rican. You know he's the black Puerto Rican. He's the black Puerto Rican.
And he made me into the big stomach.
You know, this is funny because we've been talking about this for a while. You know when Real used to own, look, come here. Come on, grab this cat.
When you met us, you were not like that.
It's happening, y'all. It's a transformation, man. But it's, no. You ain't there yet.
No, but Tony didn't have that little pop-up gun either.
I did.
No, not when you came along.
I started losing it, and then I started eating zebra cakes and shit.
But y'all, I'm gonna give you a little quick tour of the house, man. I'm gonna give you a finale when it's done. Let me show you exactly what's going on. We're actually gonna put the TV up here today in the crib, but we kind of got the living room a little bit set up. I'm gonna show y'all. Well, I'm gonna show y'all the whole crib now that we're going. I'm gonna walk real through the whole house too. Hold on.
I think we should give them the view of the outside to let them see what they're walking into first.
So welcome to YouTube Cribs.
No, we ain't showing y'all no outside. Y'all ain't gonna find out. No. Don't show them the street.
No. We'll do it a little bit different. But that's the long yard. Y'all can't really see nothing here, but you can see we got the AUDIOCAT, HELLCAT right there. We got Miss AUDIOCAT, REELTOREAL's car, King Tony Snow. Ain't nothing you can see right now, so I'm not gonna show you all the subdivision or nothing, but this is the home, man. Right now it's kind of dark, but that is the home, man. And
yes, sir.
The yard, you know what I'm worried about this whole thing that y'all see here? This is all grass, y'all, so I'm worried about how much they get in trouble to cut this grass. That's my main concern. We got Novocaine back over there, the Tahoe, but I'm gonna walk y'all to the crib now. So now I'm gonna show y'all, this is King Tony Snow's car. We got REELTOREAL's car with that flipping pink. Can you see that? Blue, pink, white, everything up in the thing. Corleone Forge, definitely. Then we got Mrs. AUDIOCAT's HELLCAT right there. We just going up the driveway, y'all. Then we got the AUDIOCAT right here. That's my baby, my toy. Now this is the whole house. Miss AUDIOCAT yelling out here. Now we got the Novocaine over here. We got the Tahoe there. Look at the garage to begin to be dealt with. But I got this extra parking spot here, so that made a lot of sense. We got garbage, we just moved in, y'all, but y'all can see exactly what's going on. Look at the lineup. Tahoe, Nova, AUDIOCAT, Miss AUDIOCAT, REELTOREAL, and King Tony Snow, man. So it's a blessing to have this here. And we do what we do. Y'all, so right now I got my toolbox and I'm organizing. But these two are always fighting like brothers. These two always fight like brothers, man. You don't seem to understand this.
He just always got something going on. We ain't never got nothing.
We ain't talking on the camera, brother. Private information, Snow. Private real, but yeah, they always got some stuff going on. We're gonna finish setting this up, but I'm gonna walk y'all to the crib as I give Real the tour also. Come on, to Real. So this is my washer and dryer. Brand new LGs. Literally brand new LGs. Then of course this is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this into my YouTube editing area. Like my TV about a month, but it can be my YouTube. I make this my office. I make this my whole personal section. Then here I'm thinking about putting that one over there. I'm talking about the room. And then this here, I'm thinking about putting a low table with a couple tables, make it a conference center. So one have meetings or talk or whatever. We have a little area here to do that. Then I can leave the rest of the house to my wife. She can keep her kitchen. She can keep the dining room. She can keep the living room. She keep all that. got that. See, my wife, you can't complain. Check this out, y'all. Look at the fridge in the crib. Y'all haven't really got to see it, but yeah, she's got the TV up in there. So she does her thing there. What you want to apologize for?
Because the nigga said I don't pull up on
Man, give me a reel. Let me show you the rest. Tony's being a baby right now. But let me show y'all the rest. The stairs upstairs. Then we have a guest bathroom over here. So when the guests come, they don't have to go into our bathrooms. Little guest bathroom there, real. Showing him everything here.
Oh, the powder room.
My wife is already complaining because
They call that the powder room. That's not a bathroom.
Who the hell got that? Yo, you know he complained, babe. He said he has a question about these socks. What's the question?
Why are so many damn socks?
Why I got so many damn socks?
I have nothing but men in this house.
Come here, real. Let me show you the rest. So this is my bedroom. My bedroom. We're still setting it up. Then we have over here the bathroom. In fact, I've never done this in my life. I'm showing people my private inside, my little thingy there.
Do this every time.
This is where I make the best thoughts. A man's true office is right there. Look at the shower area.
This is my office.
Recording this when this is a mess. Like
This is good. They're gonna see the mess. We just moved in.
Yeah,
now they can know. Now they can know why it is I haven't posted in 3 weeks. That's kind of the point. This is my closet, y'all, and I got all my J collection up there. And then I got some more shoes over there, all my clothes.
He's recording this mess.
I'm recording this whole mess, Miss AUDIOCAT.
I'm gonna turn off the lights on you.
Let's go. Now let me show y'all the rest of this house. Then we have the area that we're kicked out of, real upstairs. So this. Hell yeah, and it's personal. This is the upstairs. So the kids have negotiated. They want to keep this area for them. Man.
I'm sorry, brother.
This is the kids area here.
Hey, now when you get a random
Back on camera, man. But this is the kids are gonna make this their game room. They can like their hangout spot where they can have their TVs and chill. Then we have, of course, this. I actually like this view. Look down here. I like the way that looks. And it's still they could be talking here and they don't know that I'm watching. I can just hear the whole conversation right here. You hear them? You see what I'm saying? Then we got. I was gonna make this my office, but I decided to leave this to the guest room.
About 15 bathrooms. This is a whole mansion right here.
Man, God's good is all I can say. You see, look at my house. Be still and know that I am God. So, Psalms 46:10. I believe in that a lot, man. My son's room, we're gonna leave him alone. And Isaac's room over here. Isaac ain't playing no games, y'all. If y'all don't even understand, nah. This boy got a sleep number with the moving bottoms and the whole nine. He living that lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? But Miss AUDIOCAT.
Did you tell him how Isaac bed? How I feel like it's like we're in the middle of a. Hold on. Yeah, no, we gotta check this out.
22, bro.
Look at this.
I do got 22. What you talking
This
about?
boy moving his mustache.
No.
Sleep number and
The
the whole nine.
vibration.
And he got the massage.
That I feel like he's gonna end up falling on the first floor.
Man, but that's what he got there, man. This is kind of what it's been, man. So, you know what? I normally don't do this, but I decided to give y'all this video because it's been a while, man, that I haven't posted. I've been moving and working day and night to get my whole family situated. We've had a lot, but we got my brother Tony and my brother Real here. They're gonna help me get the stuff mounted, man. But, you know, stay tuned. I gotta get the TV mounted. I'll show you exactly what's going on.
That do not look right, brother. Hey, you gonna turn on the camera? Let me give me that.
Yes, I sure did turn on the camera right on time. Hey, listen, ain't nobody trying to see that. Why are you trying to show my good?
My ass be showing. What can I do? He's trying to.
No, you can lift up those underwear.
I don't want to be no ass shots. I can understand the whole thing, bro. But look,
I had to move.
Oh, you think it's funny?
No, ain't no women gonna be like, oh my God, he got a pretty ass.
Yeah. Ain't gonna be no one dudes, bro. Pull your damn pants up, bro. That's all they be saying on YouTube. Pull your damn pants up. You said it cheap, folks. Like level level? Yeah. All the way level. Ain't no more levels you can get.
Yeah, I'm just recording a little bit. So y'all can see what I can deal with.
I said, look at the crap. Okay, yeah.
guys, we just hung up the 85-inch TV screen, as you can see there. Now I gotta do the rest of the furniture, but that was crazy because while we're doing this, we're all holding it, and then Isaac decides to play with it, says bow, and the TV just happened to lock in, and we heard that. We thought the TV broke. Evie, I thought the TV was broken a minute ago. Boy, but you know what? It serves the justice. My TV's in there. Now I'm gonna do all the accessories and get this out the door. Yo, funny as hell, y'all, cause right now, I'm missing all the moments, man, but we're over here talking about age, and you know, he's like, damn, when people age, how Puerto Rican like to look young. My wife's 44, she's 51, and she look great for age. I said I'm 51, and she goes, no, you ain't, bitch, you ain't. That's an East Coast thing, man. This is kind of like, it's kind of a crazy deal, man, but look, real, she up.
She up.
She up, now we gotta do the rest.
The stories behind it.
Guys, you see this here? This is my wedding picture, man, me and my wife. But funny that this picture was taken with an iPhone. Out of all my wedding pictures, my niece took this, and if you look at it, it's very detailed. That picture right there was taken with the iPhone, and it was my favorite picture of the whole wedding, man. So that right there goes in my living room as a centerpiece of the thing that we've accomplished in marriage. But that right there really has a lot of meaning, man. You see, we try to keep it positive around the whole house. Fearless, we gotta work hard to do what we need to do. But that's kind of where it's at right now, y'all. Then this is my massage chair. When I need to come home and just relax from dealing with all the crazy customers I deal with, got my massage chair. So this is kind of what it is here. That Yo, CRUZCREW, so we got this up, right? We got this bottom thing up. Bro, I don't know how I'm gonna cover my wife on this, but this has to float on the side. And it's got switches back here. I didn't measure for the switches. So I'm gonna see how I can rig this up so I can make this float. And she don't yell at me about that one. We'll put the other one. Cause me and Tony about to hit Home Depot to get this going. But that's what's going on. So we're hitting Home Depot. Now we're here at Home Depot to see if we can find these switches and avoid my wife from yelling at me. She asked me when I left, man, what was it that went wrong? I told her, don't worry about it, I'll be back, I'm gonna take care of it. So I'm gonna go deal with that, y'all. Let me go get out of here to know how to deal with this and get me situated. So we're in the Home Depot looking at switches, y'all. So what I'm looking at, so I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna put these switches, I think I'm gonna put these switches in the back at the same time. I'm gonna just tell I made a smart home out of it. So going to allow me to go with my Google and my Alexa, which should be able to save my rear end from my wife yelling at me. So I think this is where I'm gonna go. I'm about to find out. Let me get a rep to give me some data, and we should be all right. So, no, the thing that was funny with Tony is that Tony see how scared I am of my wife.
I wouldn't say scared.
Yo, this guy, he's laughing over here because I just said I'm scared of my wife. You married, man? Don't get married, man. That's just that simple, man.
Women ain't faithful in 2021.
Man, but you know what? Long story short, I got the switches, so hopefully this saves me from my headaches. I'll be back in a minute. All right, CRUZCREW, so after 15 trips to Home Depot, we got the switches.
And 5 hours later.
Oh shit, you know what? I need to go back to Home Depot.
In one bag.
I gotta go back to Home Depot.
Yeah, the funny thing is that they got to Home Depot 5 times, but I only see 2 Home Depot bags.
Actually, I see 3. One.
I think they ran out
Ryan
of
just came in
bags.
with, you want a receipt too? This is what happens when you're married to a Gemini, for y'all that don't know. So here goes 1 receipt.
Yeah, no.
Here goes 2 receipts, yeah.
You is who I'm gonna have a problem with, because you're the one that put that in his head. Gemini.
So I want you to do me a favor, Evie, because you want to get into this shit. Verify the times of each of these receipts. I'm gonna make them all disappear.
Well, it says 2:30 in the afternoon. 4:30. I don't think Ash was still here.
That's what they do. That's what they do.
Bro, let's go to
They save Home Depot receipts or receipts throughout
Oh,
the
and
day.
it says 12:30 in the afternoon.
Yeah.
And then after work, they say, oh yeah, we went. And then they think.
But here goes the thing, YouTube. If they wouldn't do this shit to us, maybe we wouldn't have to do that. I gotta come up with another scheme now.
I'm just waiting on somebody to say something.
Alright, y'all. So, let me tell you what happened.
Look, it's funny how Tony was the one that went with him, and Tony has to check the receipts himself.
No, because somebody, I don't know how the Jersey public schools.
12:30 and the 4:30 sound about, right?
Don't know.
I guess so.
Anyway, y'all, back to this here. So let me tell you what happened here. Long story short, I made the mistake of covering it when I put this up here, so now I'm gonna make it a smart home in the process and shut up.
Oh, you made what?
So this is what happened.
Oh, the truth comes out.
Oh, we never said that there was nothing up
Nobody
here.
ever said a
See the
lot.
3 switches here?
Who uses switches anymore? It's
So one
2021.
fan here. So now look. Now you can say, Alexa, turn on master living room fan. Boom.
Can you transmit COVID through switches? Yes or no? You can get COVID by touching the switch, right?
Yeah, true that.
You can't get it by touching Alexa, right?
Yeah, true.
All right.
You might get something else from touching the left.
Hey, I heard Alexa handle her business. You know what I'm saying? She keep it clean. Snap that. Ooh, no, don't do that. Don't do that. It's too fresh. This boy still got room.
CRUZCREW, at that point in time, I've had some good things and I almost caught fire in my house. I have one switch that I burnt out. I'm about to go get a warranty at Home Depot, y'all. But I'm gonna end this video, man. Welcome y'all to the crib, man. Thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless, man. Stay positive.